If you've ever tried changing brake pads without the right caliper compression tool, then you already know the pain. You're sitting there fighting the piston, trying clamps, pliers, screwdrivers, anything you can find while slowly realizing you're one bad move away from damaging your caliper. And trust me, that mistake gets expensive fast. Cheap tools bend, slip, or flat out don't fit modern brake systems properly. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 brake caliper compression toolsets that actually make brake jobs easier, faster, and way less frustrating so you can stop wasting money and buy the right kit the first time. And if you're into real-world automotive tool reviews without the fake marketing nonsense, hit subscribe. I test these tools like someone who actually spends weekends working on cars. I'll leave the best updated deals in the description, and if you're unsure which kit fits your vehicle, comment below and I'll help you out. Alright, let's get into it. Coming in at number 5 is the Daewoo Disc Brake Caliper Piston Rewind Tool Kit Set. And for people just getting into DE brake jobs, this is honestly a pretty solid place to start. The first thing you notice is that it gives you a surprisingly complete setup for the price. You've got multiple adapters for different vehicle types, left and right-handed threaded tools, and everything comes organized inside a hard carrying case that doesn't feel completely flimsy. The metal components aren't ultra-premium, but they're decent enough to handle normal brake service work without feeling like toy-grade tools. In real-world use, this is ideal for casual DEers who work on their own cars a few times a year. Here's where this really stands out: it covers a wide range of vehicles without costing a fortune. That matters because modern rear brake calipers can be annoyingly specific. Compared to trying to compress pistons with universal clamps, this kit feels way more controlled and safer for the caliper seals. One honest drawback though: the threading on some adapters can feel a little rough under heavy use. But for occasional garage work, it absolutely gets the job done. Now the next one fixes a problem a lot of cheaper kits have: better organization and smoother operation. At number 4, we've got the Appium 24-piece brake caliper compressor kit. And this one immediately feels more refined than entry-level sets. The carrying case layout is cleaner, the adapters fit more securely, and the compression tools themselves feel sturdier in the hand. You've got compatibility with a huge range of vehicles, including many imports and European models that require rotating pistons during compression. The threaded mechanisms also feel smoother, which makes brake work less frustrating overall. In real-world situations, this kit is a big step up for people who regularly do brake jobs at home. This is what most people don't realize: a smoother compression tool actually reduces the chance of damaging caliper components because you're applying force more evenly. Cheap kits tend to bind or slip under pressure. This one feels more controlled. The only drawback is that the case hinges still aren't the strongest thing in the world. But tool-wise, the performance is really solid for the money. Now we're moving into kits that start feeling genuinely professional. At number 3 is the Dasbit 24-piece heavy-duty disc brake caliper tool set. And the heavy-duty part actually feels believable here. The adapters and compressor components feel noticeably more robust compared to cheaper alternatives. The metal thickness is better, the threading feels cleaner, and the whole kit just inspires more confidence during tougher brake jobs. It also comes with a wide adapter selection, which is important if you work on multiple vehicle brands. In real-world use, this is where you start noticing a difference during stubborn caliper work. Rusted pistons, tighter brake assemblies, older vehicles. This kit handles tougher situations better than budget options. Here's where this really stands out: durability. If you do frequent brake jobs, weaker kits start wearing out fast. The Dasbit setup feels built for repeated use without getting sloppy. One honest drawback though: it's a slightly heavier and bulkier kit overall, so it takes up more storage space in the garage. Now this next one fixes a frustration that a lot of people don't even realize comes from bad tool design. At number 2 is the 8MILELAKE Professional 24-piece caliper wind-back tool set. And honestly, this kit feels extremely well thought out. The compression mechanisms operate smoothly, the adapters fit tightly without excessive wobble, and the entire set feels more precise overall. You can tell this was designed by people who understand how annoying brake jobs become when your tools don't line up properly. The finish quality is also noticeably cleaner than most mid-range kits. In real-world brake work, this kit saves time, and that matters. Especially when you're dealing with modern vehicles where rear calipers need careful winding and compression at the same time. This is what most people don't realize. Poor quality caliper tools create unnecessary stress because you're constantly fighting alignment issues. The 8milelake setup feels much more controlled and predictable. It's especially good for people working on multiple cars or helping friends and family with repairs. The only downside is that the labeling inside the case could honestly be clearer for beginners. But once you know the kit, it's excellent. And finally, number 1, the Orion Motortech 24-piece brake caliper compression tool set. This is the one I'd personally recommend to most people because it nails the balance between quality, compatibility, durability, and ease of use better than anything else on this list. Right away, the build quality stands out. The threaded compressor tools feel strong and smooth, the adapters fit securely, and the carrying case is actually durable enough to survive real garage life. You're getting broad compatibility across domestic, Asian, and European vehicles, and the tool tolerances feel more precise than most cheaper kits. Here's where this thing dominates in real-world reliability. Brake jobs are stressful enough already. The last thing you want is a compression tool slipping halfway through the process or damaging a caliper boot because the fit is sloppy. This kit feels dependable. And honestly, that's what separates good automotive tools from frustrating ones. This is what most people don't realize: the smoother and more precise the tool feels, the safer the entire brake job becomes. The Orion kit compresses pistons evenly, handles stubborn calipers confidently, and feels durable enough for long-term use. Whether you're a serious DIer or someone doing side work regularly, this thing just works. One honest drawback? It costs slightly more than budget kits. But considering how much frustration it saves, it's worth every penny. So here's the bottom line. If you just need an affordable entry-level kit for occasional brake jobs, the Daewoo is a good starting point. If you want smoother operation and better overall refinement, the Appium kit delivers strong value. For heavier-duty use and long-term durability, the Dasbit setup is impressive. If you want professional-feeling precision and smoother usability, the 8milelake kit is excellent. But if you want the best overall combination of quality, compatibility, reliability, and long-term value, the Orion Motortech kit is the clear winner. At the end of the day, brake jobs are one area where using the right tools genuinely matters. Not just for convenience but for safety. A proper caliper compression tool saves time, prevents damage, and makes the whole process feel way less stressful. Check the description for the best updated deals on all these kits, subscribe for more real-world automotive reviews, and comment below if you need help choosing the right setup for your vehicle. You now know more than 90% of buyers out there go make the right choice.